Hello, good morning. I'm going to work on day 76 this morning. We're getting close. We're getting close here. So, I pulled out a few things already. This image has intrigued me since I started working with it, so I decided to do something with it, even though it's probably not my favorite image. I just don't know why it intrigues me. I've said a few times lately that I probably will not do this project next year. I've seen some other projects I'd like to do, and they're more on the month-long type challenges. And I think, this is it's a fabulous project and a fabulous challenge, but I kind of think that next year I would like to do a few shorter projects, is my thought. They probably will take just as much time, in the fact that, I've seen several projects that interest me. And I'm hoping to do a few of them. So, anyways, I'm going to just work on this little collage and see where it goes. I think it's going to do some weird things today, so have fun watching. Well, guys, I may be wrong, but I think I'm going to just leave that one like it is. For some reason, it seems to be finished that way. It doesn't ask me to do anything more. And a lot of what I do with these little collages is very intuitive. If it doesn't seem like it needs more, I just don't put more on it. I may be wrong, and I may look at it again in the future and say, well, why didn't I finish that one? I'm not sure. I think that it's done. We are less than a month away from being finished. I'm really very pleased with this. I'm going to read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity and go on to my next project. Faint heart never won fair creativity. All right. Anyways, guys, I will talk to you soon. I hope you're having a great day. Have fun. Go make some art. Bye-bye.